teachers, my name is Nishka Prakash and today I'm going to be sharing my faction with you. So my attribute over here is reflective, and now I'm going to talk about some of the elements that I have included in my faction's work. So over here I've got the flag, and in the flag basically I'm trying to represent that you should not cut trees and that animals are very important in our faction. Education is a necessity and there should be no global warming. So in the reflective fraction, you have to take care of the environment. Over here I have the symbol, and we had a debate in our last unit. So I have included all of the elements that my friends had chosen for the debate to make it show that we need everything in our world. So, and this is my conflict resolution, which is a vital part of the reflective faction. Now, in the conflict resolution, it's very important to first step away from the problem and calm down. Second, to reflect on what happened. Third, to go and share your feelings. Fourth, to come to a conclusion. And five, to become better friends. Over here I have my costume, and my costume is basically made out of recycled clothes and leaves. My population goes as animals 10,000, men 10,000, girls 10,000, boys 10,000 and women again 10,000. Over here we've got the responsibility of the citizens in my faction, and I written, the responsibility of the citizens belonging to the reflective faction is to take action, realize their mistakes and reflect about what is happening to Earth. I, Nishka Prakash, creator of the faction, hereby declare that reusing, recycling and reducing is a necessity for every citizen, and for it is the first three steps to be taken for the evolution of mankind and conservation of our faction and Earth. We save, conserve and take action. Now we've got the constitutions, or the function and established systems of my faction. So there is equality, education, no government and love. The HRPR, which is somewhat like our faction's government, the full form is honest, respect, peace and reflect. You have to vote for the people that are there. The selection of how to get into the faction is, do you reflect and are you reflective enough to take action? The rules is, you must recycle, reuse and reduce. When there's a problem, reflect and take action. No cutting trees without reason or wasting water. Clothes, recycled out of plastic, reuse plastic and reduced plastic. School must teach the 3 R's, equality, how to be a cyber citizen and to reflect then take action. For theft, robbery and crime, the person who has committed the crime has to stay in a locked room and reflect. The person is free after 15 days, and then the reflective trackers, which is part of the organization chart, ask witnesses about how the person behaved. Then the reflective trackers will decide whether that person is free or not. The marriage is to say I love you and then tie a black thread around the person. To divorce, this is a very exciting idea, is that the couple stays in the divorce room where there are no doubles. So, like, there is only one bed, one shower, one spoon, one fork, one plate, and so on. Finally, we've got the organization chart, which is the HRPR. I just told you the full form little time before. So first we have the head, and there's only one of the head. The head helps people, but has no right to boss. Then we've got 3 peacemakers. The peacemakers stop injustice anywhere and make peace. Then there are 2 reflectors that ask people to reflect. And then finally we have 6 reflective trackers that are basically like the police. Thank you.